Hi, welcome to Rate My Gadget, and you may well have one of these IKEA clothes peg holders here, and eventually what will happen is that the pegs themselves unfortunately will fail and they will go at that hinge point there. So if I bring this broken one together, they'll go there, and there is no way to repair that. So unfortunately you have to replace the individual pegs, and these pegs here you can get from Amazon. Links are at the bottom. You get hundreds of them. They're really robust because they're metal. They're not going to break, and therefore you can easily replace the pegs that go onto each of those arms. So first of all, you need to take off the arms. So find where the gap is. It will be towards the outside. You can see there. And the trick is to bring it up to that hole, and I find actually twisting it a little bit. So try and bring it down the arm a bit, twist it, and then what will happen eventually is once you go past the point, it just pops off. There you go. So that is the old peg, which obviously you need to discard of, recycle if you can. But all you're doing is getting the top arm of that peg there. Make sure you've got obviously the end that kind of opens up, and you're pushing it through that gap at the top. Now you might find that you try it a few times, it's quite a tight fit. It may well be quite a bit of a challenge, but you are pushing it into that gap there. Okay, so you'll see as I do it, push it into that gap. It may well slip off the side a few times, but eventually it will clip through. And there you go. You've repaired that peg. No need to buy a whole new assembly. So I hope that's helped. Please do like and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.